Hi folks, here are 6 things I did with AI this week that might give you some ideas. My name is Greg Crable, this is my podcast, and I've been trying to focus on AI issues recently. So here are 6 things that I did. The first one was look up the reputation of a company. Now that might be your company, or it might be some other company that you're considering doing business with. Now I use ChatGPT model 4.5, which seems better for that kind of research. So that's something to consider. If you're thinking of working with a company, look up their reputation and use AI to get that. The next one was to solve a software problem. You know, a lot of times I'm working in some program and it's just not, I can't figure out how to do something. Now I can work my way through it. I can contact support. I can Google it. There's a lot of things I can do, but AI is usually a quick fix. You make sure to tell AI which version you're working with and what the problem is, and you usually get a pretty good answer on how to fix it. Next one is to repurpose content. This one was really cool. I took my book on customer data platforms, I uploaded it to Notebook LM, which is a Google service, and asked it to create a podcast from the book. It did an absolutely fantastic job. I was really amazed. Here's another one. Convert a rough idea into an outline for an article or a podcast or whatever. So you have some idea, you're thinking about it, you've got the general outline, but you need more. Well, you can spend your own time thinking about it, or you can upload that to ChatGPT or whatever AI you use and ask it, help me with this, expand on it, give me some more ideas. Now, don't use what the AI says. Always use your own words, always edit everything, but it's a good way to get more ideas. Now, kind of related to that is sometimes I'll see a bunch of things and I'll think there's a connection between these things, but I'm not exactly sure what the connection is. So I'll list them all and I'm saying, I'm sort of suspecting this kind of a connection. Help me with that. And sometimes AI can help you find what you're looking for there. And then the last one is, let's say you have a podcast and you have a reader comment section in your podcast, or maybe in your newsletter or wherever, and you're light on the comments this time around. Okay, ask ChatGPT to create comments to go along with your podcast or your newsletter. So those are some ideas. I hope that was helpful. Just by the way, all these things were in the most recent issue of the Crable letter, which you can get on my website, crablegroup.com, and you can sign up there for the email version. And if that interests you, go ahead and sign up. Thanks so much for your time.